Okay, here we're going to connect this brake line to a shifter on this 105 group set. And first we're going to take a look at the tools needed. I got a hose cutter. I've got something to push in our barb here. I have an 8mm wrench, and I like to hang on to something like this. This is just, I think, a 2 here. And then we've got the parts needed, which are the olive and the barb. So that would be our olive. There is an olive that is stuck inside here. We need to remove that. I usually take that one out, and I don't reuse that one. I use a new one. So let's start here. I'm gonna pull that out. I already know that which hose goes to what side here, so I am going to simulate the hose being cut and the length of the hose being bottom of the hose here. The bottom of this is somewhere in this location, so I just estimate that and make a cut. Got to use a sharp razor blade to make that cut, and then go there. Go ahead and put in our barb now. Just find some way to press that in. This is a nice little tool here, and I just push that barb all the way to the bottom so there's no air gap where the end of the hose and the barb meet. Open that up. Set that aside. Pull my 8 out and unscrew this. Here's where I fish out the old one. Grab our new one. Grab our connector. Set that together. Pushing the hose in reaches the bottom, and then lining it up so that I can thread this by hand. And it's taking me a second here. Okay, thread that in by hand as far as I can go. Tighten this up. That's it. Grab a paper towel here. Use a paper towel, wipe off the excess. A little bit of isopropyl. And there I have one side connected.